Alright, we got something a little bit different today. We're going to do some more key fob repair. And this is actually one I'm probably going to end up entirely using the pencil. Get it apart. Park it here. You can see right where the little capacitor came off. I have the capacitor. I'm going to clean it up, get it out of there, and then yeah, it should be pretty, hopefully, knock on wood, simple and straightforward thing. Some of this. Let's get this thing out of here. We're going to need a little bit of, hopefully just a little bit. Did I toss this back? Yeah, Emily. I'm in the process of doing a repair right now. Alright, let's get that over there, that over there. The part is here. But I need to squeeze this. Alright, let's get this out of here all of the way. Yeah, so thankfully the other side of this just needs a little bit of cleaning right there. Just looks like there's just some stuff was in here, so we'll clean that out with some isopropyl. Go ahead and start that process. Give this thing a good little. It won't be quite as sticky for her, which would be nice. She said that whenever she would press the buttons, it would just stick. Let's see, whatever was in here is just liquefying with this, which is nice. Let's grab a... Yep, Emily, I do. Flip it over. We'll also clean the other side of this. You can see it's a key fob, so it's going to be dirty. Just gently get that cleaned. That's the inside. Let's do the outside. Same deal. Just agitate all this stuff off of here. Flip it over. That's better. It's funny, you can see what the original color of this silicone was compared to like years of use. That's better. And then we'll do the same thing with this. And all we're going to do is set it down. We're going to agitate it. Like so. All of the schmutz cleaned off of there. The level of what I'm doing is actually pretty basic. Anyone with a decent set of soldering irons and stuff will be able to do this. Alright, let's grab another paper towel. So there is some stuff on this side. We need to figure out what it is. Grab our Q-tips, which are magically missing for some reason. Just get this whole side of the board cleaned off. And I put them all the way back over there. And you can see just how much stuff, like whatever that black stuff was. That's after it's nice and clean. Let's get this battery out of here. So what we're going to be replacing is this goes here. Oh, let's add a little flux to this. Let's get this spun around so I can work on it. Yeah, whatever that stuff is. I guess I need to look at this capacitor. It looks fine. That should be fine. Alright, we should be good. Problem that I'm instantly having is that this board is covered in water like resistant film. So we're gonna turn this bad boy on this morning. That smells bad. Let's get it smells real bad. Oh. Gonna add a little bit more flux to this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to hit both at the same time. It's just the right size for this. Should be able to make sure this guy gets all the way down. Okay. Right, so that should be good. Check it. Yep. All right, we're good. Make sure there's nothing else screaming is a problem here. All right, I think we're good. Beautiful. All right, let's get this thing put back together. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.